Studies show that spending time in nature can significantly enhance mental well-being. A remarkable finding is that exposure to green spaces reduces stress and anxiety while boosting mood. Being in nature also improves cognitive functions like attention and memory. This phenomenon, known as the biophilia effect, suggests our innate connection to the natural world fulfills psychological needs. Engaging with nature doesn't demand hours. Even short walks or simply stepping outside can promote better mental clarity and resilience. Embracing nature as a part of your routine can lead to profound improvements in your overall mental health.